Assemble a cutting handle of the required length from a handle rail and end caps. For this, we need a 10 mm handle rail of the right length, a set of end caps, and 4 screws 3x6. Drill 6 3.5 diameter holes in the 10 mm handle rail. Fix the end caps with 3x6 screws. Prepare a groove in the door panel for the handle. Width is 27 mm. Height is less than the handle length by 4 mm. To fix the handle to the door panel, we use a connecting plate and M3x16 mm screws. The plate is fixed to the panel with the appropriate self-tapping screws.